There's something truly special about twin flames, two souls chasing the same dream with equal fire. And when you think of sprinting in Jamaica, no story shines brighter right now than that of Tina and Tia Clayton. Born and raised in the beautiful parish of Westmoreland, these sisters have become the pride of a nation, blazing their path from humble beginnings to international fame. This is the story of two girls who never stopped running and never stopped believing. The journey of Tina and Tia began like many Jamaican legends on the fields of a local primary school. It was there at the young age that their natural athleticism caught the attention of coaches and spectators. Whether racing at school sports day or at national youth meets, it was clear these girls were different. Their early performances quickly made waves, earning them a spot in one of Jamaica's most respected track programs, Edwin Hallin High School. Known for producing some of the best female sprinters in the world, the school would become a major part of shaping their discipline, their strength, and character on and off the track. At Edwin Allen, the twins didn't just fit in, they stood out. Under careful guidance and a rigorous training regime, they began dominating their age group. Their sprinting style, explosive start, and sheer determination made them nearly unstoppable. Their performances at major inter-school track and field championships continually earned them medals and admiration. And as the national spotlight turned on them, they embraced it with humility, with maturity, and purpose. It wasn't long before international eyes noticed their potential. The twins represented Jamaica at various junior regional championships and formed their very first appearances. They proved they were not just local stars, they were world-class athletes in the making. Their breakthrough came at a World Junior Championship where they were not only ran for medals but left with gold. It was a defining moment, a sign that the baton of Jamaican sprinting was being passed on to a new generation. Today, they anchored relay teams, sweep individual events, and walk away with world recognition and world records. What makes their story even more powerful is their bond. Tina and Tia aren't just teammates, they are sisters, twins who support each other fiercely, celebrate each other's wins, and share every step of this remarkable journey. Whether one crossed the finish line first or the other fought through injury, they remain united. That sisterhood is their greatest strength, and it's something the Jamaican public and the world have come to admire deeply. The move from junior to senior level can be daunting, even for the most talented. But Tina and Tia were ready. Their training intensified, their technique sharpened, and their resolve deepened. They began competing against seasoned athletes, Olympic champions, world finalists, and they held their own. More than that, they began beating them. Their transition was seamless, and while many were surprised by how well they adapted, those who knew their work ethic and heart were not. Just recently, Tina achieved what many believed was inevitable. She won the senior national title in the 100-meter race. This moment marked a major milestone in her career and served as a powerful signal that Jamaica's sprinting legacy is in good hands. Tia, unfortunately, faced a setback in the same event, pulling up before the finish line. But as we've seen before, setbacks don't define the Claytons, comebacks do. Her strength, her courage, and determination suggest that it's only a matter of time before she returns stronger than ever. This national championship was more than a race. It was a symbolic changing of the guard, a reminder that a new era of sprinting has arrived. Tina and Tia are no longer just young girls with a dream. They are now role models, leaders, and torch bearers. Their story has already inspired thousands of young Jamaicans who see themselves in these sisters. Girls from the countryside with big dreams and even bigger hearts. They were recently named ambassadors for youth athletics events, a full circle moment for two athletes who once competed at those same very meets. Their commitment to giving back is as strong as their desire to win. As Tina prepares to represent Jamaica on the global senior stage, the expectations are high, but so is her readiness. She carries with her not just her own ambition, but the pride of an entire country. And while Tia recovers and regroups, there's no doubt she too will rise again. Together or apart, these two are destined to continue making headlines and breaking barriers. The world is watching, and the Claytons are just getting started. So, here's to Tina and Tia Clayton, two sisters, one destiny. Their story is a reminder that greatness isn't born in comfort. It's built in grit, discipline, and love. From rural Jamaica to the world stage, they continue to run not just for medal, but for purpose. Their footsteps echoes far beyond the finish line. And if you listen closely, they're saying, Jamaica, we got this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more inspiring stories like this one. And in the comments, let us know, are you ready to watch the Claytons conquer the world? Until our next video, stay safe and God bless.